What's up, family? Sneaker Notes, we back. And today I'm going to do a review on a sneaker I had since release date, but I didn't think I was going to keep it. Things change. Yes, sir. And today we're going to do a review on the latest Fear God Essential Converse. Basic sneaker. Super dope still. We're going to get into this review. But before we do that, I want to up y'all up on Supreme. I haven't been doing it in a while. So last week, Supreme Summer Tees came out. And these are one of the dopest things that always come out every summer. I always cop all of them. But what did I cop this time? The Supreme Boat Tee, or the Sail Tee. Definitely one of my favorites. This was the first one I went at in the red colorway. You know, everything red and white with Supreme usually flies off the shelf first. So when I'm copping on it, because you're not doing manually, I don't have any bots, so when I'm copping on the site, I always go for what I want first, buy it, and pay extra shipping for each item. So one, the Supreme Sail Tee. Second, wifey actually picked this one up for me. It's a Supreme Dinosaur Tee in a white colorway. Super dope. Again, basic, but just super dope, man. You know, throws on with any fit, any sneakers. Nice looking dinosaur right there. And actually, all the stickers that came along with it has the dinosaur. Last but definitely not least, another red colorway, the Supreme Chrome Tee. Now these were like considered the most popular ones out of the whole bunch, and you can see why. Has that Supreme Chrome going across it. Super dope. Definitely my favorite out the bunch. This is a tee that I don't own. I actually sold it as soon as I brought it because I brought it in the wrong colorway. And if you know me, if you've seen all these videos, I have way too many black t-shirts. So the last shirt that I picked up from the Supreme Tees was the Supreme Time t-shirt. I love the t-shirt, I love the graphic, but it was in black and I have too many black tees. So that's my recap of what I got from Supreme as far as the summer tees. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? What did you cop? What's your favorite one? As I told you, my favorite one is the Supreme Chrome Tee. Definitely my favorite one. But enough of that, let's get back to the essential Fear God Converse. Yes, sir. The Converse Essential Fear God joints, man. Like I said, dope but basic. These came out March 26, I believe, this year, 2020, and they dropped on PacSun and they dropped on Converse. I never brought a Converse in my life, so I went there, made a username, a password, and everything just to make sure I can get these in hand. But I still wound up getting them off PacSun anyway. Shouts out to you, PacSun. Like I told you before, these came out March 26 in a black colorway. It was a gray colorway, and it was like a sail white colorway. Of course, I went with the black because you know, black is always dope, man. You can't go wrong with black. But I brought it not because of Converse, because I never owned the Converse. I brought it because I'm a huge fan of Fear God and even the Essential line. Jerry Lorenzo's been killing everything he touched. As you can see, I even have on Essential Fear God sweats right now. Huge fan. Like, I own these, and I also own these joints right here. Super underrated sneaker, man. Super clean. Super dope. This is the Fear God, Fear God Nike. I forget the name of it. Air Raids. This is the Fear God Air Raids. See, you have your Nike swoosh there. Fear God branding there. Straps. Whole bunch of bells and whistles on this. Super dope sneaker. So yeah, I own this one. And I own this one, the Orange Post Fear Guard Nike ones. Haven't worn them yet, as you can see they're bright orange, and gotta have the things to put together with these. If you know, last Saturday the all black joints came out. I kind of struck out on them, but I struck out on them because I didn't know if I really wanted them. The $350 price tag doesn't mind me. It's just that these sneakers are so big, bulky, iconic. They're definitely not an everyday wear. Not even once a month. I'm talking maybe 6 times a year, maybe. So I didn't really go as hard for them. I want to give y'all a secret as a sneakerhead. If you want a sneaker, you go hard. You find out every raffle. You find out every store, every website that's going to release it. I didn't do that. I entered 2 raffles, and I woke up 10 a.m., tried to get them off Sneakers app. Didn't get them, but I'm not mad. So again, it's just a few collections of Fear Guards that I own. Back to the... Yeah, so if you owned the Chuck Taylor before, you see nothing but similarities to this. Nothing's changed. Let's start with the box. So here's your regular Converse Essential Fear Guard box. Regular, what you call this, like rectangle look. Regular box, nothing crazy, nothing special, no collaborative logos or designs on the box. The sneaker does have its own branding and different things going on. Let's check it out. Starting with the heel tab, right there. You have your regular Converse star, and it reads Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor. This is the right shoe, by the way. But as you can see, the bottom of the sole has that glossy rubberish material. So that's one thing that was added by the essential look. See that gloss comes all the way around. These 2 dots here is also a staple of the Converse. Nothing different there. You go to the tongue, and that's when things get different. Jerry Lorenzo added a leather tongue to the Converse. Not the best of leather, but it's leather. Also, this pull tab right here that doubles as the shoestring holder, so your shoestrings can come all the way around the ankle support of your sneaker. Again here, another staple of the Converse family, your Converse star in the circle. And that also reads the same as the back tab, Chuck Taylor 70 All-Star Converse. Starting at your toe box, you also have that rubber here that you have here, but it just doesn't glows like that. It doesn't have that glossy look. And as you can see where the tongue starts, and all the leather starts right there. Get these shoestrings out the way. That's the right shoe. But now on your left shoe, instead of the Chuck Taylor back there, you see the words Essential. Fear God. And basically, that's the only thing different from these and your original Converse Chuck Taylors. This is my first pair of Converse, like I told y'all earlier in the video, and it may be my last. I see Carhartt is coming out with a couple. Hold on, this is not my first Converse.
A few moments later.
Did I forget these? And also these. Yeah, my bad, y'all. I'm bugging, man. But you know what? This collab was such a collab that you kind of forget that these are Converses. So right here is the CDG or the Como des Garçons Converse collabs. But getting back to the Converse Fear God Essentials, it's exactly what it say it is. It's essential. You know, it ain't nothing that's going to hype a beast or go over nobody's head. It's just a basic shoe. Two, giants collabing and just making a nice shoe, man. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. Let me know if you cop. Retail was what, 140, 130, I can't remember. But worth the money in my opinion, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in. If you haven't, subscribe down there. Hit the notification bell. All that good stuff. Everybody, get rich.